Question is fill in the blanks. Its first part is an expression having one term. Children, first expression having one term is called monomial. Having two terms is called binomial. Having three terms is called trinomial. Now the fourth part is 3x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus x implies that x is equal to what? So we have to solve it first. How you will solve it? We will solve it like this: 3x minus 5 is equal to 7 minus x. Taking x to this side, left hand side, it becomes 3x plus x because it is minus x here, and taking minus 5 to this right side of equality, it becomes plus 5 or 7 plus 5. For x is equal to 12, x is equal to 3. So x, this implies that x is equal to 3. We have to fill in the blank here. Now the next part is b square minus a square minus a square minus b square. Children are generally confused in such type of equation, and they write down 0 in hurry. But you have to think it carefully, then you have to answer it. So how you will do it? We do it like this: b square as such minus a square as such after opening bracket, and now after opening this bracket it becomes minus a square minus minus plus b square. So what it becomes? B square are 2, so 2b square, and a square are minus a square are 2, so it becomes minus 2a square. Therefore in the blank you have to write 2b square minus 2a square. Now the next question is write true, T for true and F for false in the following statements. Minus 3x by square z is a monomial. Children, this is a whole, this is combining together is a one term, so this is a monomial. Don't go for x, that don't count these three variables as separate variables, x and y and z. No, if this is like this, x plus y plus z, then it will not be a monomial. But when they are combined together as a one term like 3x y square z, so it is a monomial. True statement. X is equal to, next part is x is equal to 2 upon 3 is a solution of 2x plus 5 is equal to 8. So we have to find out the solution of this one. So it is 2x is equal to 8 minus 5, 2x is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 upon 2. And here the option given is 2 upon 3. So this is a false statement. Here x must be 3 upon 2, not 2 upon 3. 2x plus 3 is equal to 5 is a linear equation. It is a true statement. The coefficient of x in 5xy is 5. This is a false statement because coefficient of x is 5y, which is included with x in this expression. So keeping x aside, we leave behind with 5y. So 5y is the coefficient, not 5. So it is a false statement. 8 minus x is equal to 5 implies that x is equal to 3. So what we have to do, taking x to here I have done it, minus x is equal to 5 minus 8, taking x to this side, taking 8 to this side, it becomes minus 8. So that the value after solving we get minus x is equal to minus 3, or omitting out minus sign from both sides, we get x is equal to 3. So it is a true statement. Now the next question is subtract this term from this term. So simply what we have to do, children, subtract this from this. So write this statement, this expression in the beginning like this, and subtract, put the subtract sign because you have to subtract this expression. Now subtracting this expression, so after putting negative sign, we have to bring this expression into brackets. So we do it like this. Now opening the bracket of this, we get this expression as such, and opening this we get minus 4pq because we are subtracting this minus, this sign is because we are subtracting this term. So it becomes minus 4q, and this becomes minus plus 5q square minus plus 3p square, and adding all together, joining all the like terms, we get 5p square, and here 3p square becomes 8p square, 3q square plus 5q square becomes 8q square, and remains is pq minus q pq, and minus 4pq is minus 5q pq. So this is the answer, children. Now the next term, from the sum of these two terms, subtract the sum of these two terms. Children, first we have to sum these two terms. So if first step sum is 4 plus 3x plus this one, 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. The sum becomes 2x square minus x plus 9. And the second sum, and adding these expression 3 square minus 5x plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Here because the x square bears minus sign and we have to add this, so we will do it like this. We will put add mark and then minus x square will be put under bracket plus 2 square plus 5. Opening this, you can easily solve this question. It becomes, the sum becomes 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now the question is asking this, subtracting the sum of this. The sum of this from the sum of this. From means this must be the first term of subtracting. So this is the first term, this sum is the first term, and subtracting the sum from the sum, this sum, subtract the sum of this, and subtracting this term, we get minus 2x square, and this you have to put in the bracket because you are putting minus sign here. Now after solving it, opening the bracket, we get 2x square minus x plus 9 minus 2x square plus 3 minus plus 3x minus plus minus 5. So after adding like terms, we get 2x square gets cancelled with minus 2x square, and now remains only x term and constants. X term is 3x and here is minus 1x, so it becomes 2x, and adding the constant, it is plus 9 here and minus 5 here, it is 4. So children, 2x plus 4 is the answer. Find the value of a square plus 2ab plus b square for a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Children, the value of a and b terms are given. So what we have to do, we have to simply put the value in the expression. Putting 3 for a square, 3 for a, it becomes 3 square plus 2ab plus 2 multiplied by b is equal, a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, and b square is square of 2. After solving this, 3 square gives you 9, 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12, it gives 12 the second term, and the third term 2 square gives you 4. 12 4 is equal to 16, 16 and 9 is equal to 25 is the answer. Children, I hope you will be understanding all these sums I am putting before you. Now the last question is, if z is equal to 10, find the value of zq minus 3 z minus 10 inside the bracket. Again putting the values in the same expression. So you can also open this, first you have to open this expression like this, zq minus 3 bracket z minus 10 is equal to z3 minus 3z plus 30. 3 10 30. It gives you, now putting the values, zq becomes 10 to the power 3 minus 3z becomes 3 into 10 and 30 as such. After solving, we get 1000 minus 30 plus 30 plus 30 and minus 30 can be cancelled out, and remains is 1000, and that is the answer. Children, in the last I would like to inform you that a few most important questions and their answers you can find in our video on algebraic expression or algebra class 6th maths. So just go for it and keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Thanks.